Alright guys, just wanted to make a video. This is problem 3 on the homework that is due tomorrow. It says the function y equals square root of x minus 5 plus 2. And the first question is determine the domain and range. You may produce a sketch. I went ahead and sketched it. We know the parent function is just square root of x. We're going to shift 5 units to the right. That's the minus 5. And then we shift up by 2. So here's our new vertex. Then we're going right. The coordinates of this are 5, 2. So the domain of this is 5, infinity, and the range is 2, infinity. Now, we also need to, in part B, find the inverse. So the inverse is, let me take this function, y equals square root of x minus 5 plus 2. Let me switch the x's and y's. So I've got x equals square root of y minus 5 plus 2. Let me subtract 2 on both sides. Let me square both sides to get rid of the square root. So I got x minus 2 squared equals y minus 5. Let me add 5 to both sides. So I've got x minus 2 squared plus 5 equals f inverse of x. And now so this will be my inverse, and then it wants me to get correct domain restriction. So I'm going to go ahead and graph this. This is a parabola shifted 2 units right, 5 units up. So parabola, 2 units right, 5 units up. The vertex is 2, 5. Look, the old vertex was 5, 2. Notice we've just switched it because this is the inverse. Some people thought the domain might be negative infinity to infinity, but the problem is the inverse of a square root function is only part of the parabola. And I know it's this part because this square root function is going towards the positive infinity side, so I want the parabola that's going towards the positive infinity side. The domain of this parabola is 2 to infinity, just like the range of the other one was 2 to infinity. The range of this one is 5 to infinity, and the range of the domain of the other one was 5 to infinity. So we just switched these because they're inverses. Let me zoom out. And with that, let me end the video.